Welcome back to Performance TV. Well, we have our 2012 F-150 in here today. Been doing a little shopping online, picking up some accessories from Rock Auto, but something we're really looking forward to doing is adding more sound. You know, we work with the folks from Custom Autosound quite a bit on all of their radios, but did you know they have a complete line of speakers, starting right off with the speakers that go into the dash. But they have 38 configurations to work with pretty much any classic car or truck. They also have their dual voice coil speakers. They have speakers for the back deck, you know, the nice 6x9s, three-way speakers. They have your kick panel speakers and a couple of choices. You can either go with a 6.5, or if you need the smaller ones, they have the 4-inch option. But how about something to go under the seat? You know, when you don't have a whole lot of room? Well, Custom Autosound has come out with a couple of different options. One of them being their undercover, going to be able to give you a little more kick with a 5.5-inch sub. But what we're going to do today is install a pair of their brand new Undercover II. You want a little more boom boom? Well, how about an 8-inch aluminum sub that has a couple of tweeters and be able to put right under your seat? And we're going to give this F-150 just a little more sound. Hey Dave, did you get a chance to get that crossover installed?
Yepper. I'm already hooked up for my radio. I carefully routed my wire back and along the side here, which is a nice, helpful, handy hint for most of you out there. It's nice to hide your wires, and it's nice to have them protected. So what I like to do is run them just above my rocker panel and protect them underneath my carpet and my sill plate. Now, Custom Autosound has this all figured out for you, so you don't have to think about anything. You don't have to fabricate any brackets because they're already done for you. I've already installed them on the unit here, and these are self-tapped. So I don't have to worry about that either. They're going to screw right in nice and easy. Once I've got my brackets on, I'll go ahead and I'll simply hook up 2 wires. Once they're in, I'll set her down. I'll see exactly where I want to have it, and then I'll go ahead and I'll drill some small holes in there. Now, another helpful handy hint for you is if you take this drill and you go in, it'll eat up your carpet sometimes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some tape, we're going to put it around the drill, and now the chances of me unwrapping the carpet from the floor is a lot less.
Well, you know what? Something else I want to point out, Dave, is the connections on this Undercover II are so simple. You know, these are going underneath the seat. And a lot of times, you know, in a truck like this, people still want to be able to use that area back there for storage. So if you do need to do that type of thing, Dave will be able to take this thing right out real easy.
Right, no tightening at all. Even if I leave it underneath, this is an aluminum case. It's real strong. It's going to take a lot of beating just in case I get aggressive with it.
Right, and just like their regular Undercover, which I had mentioned earlier that has the 5.5-inch woofer, the Undercover II is still only 3 inches tall. So you're going to be able to get a lot of sound out of this with the 8-inch subwoofer without taking up a lot of space.
True, true. Hey, I love all their choices. They even have a speaker that if I don't have room on my dash or anything, it looks like an air conditioning vent, but it's a speaker.
You know what? It's got the subwoofer. We have the tweeters on both sides. And once you put in this entire pair, you're going to be able to go up to 250 watts of, as I said earlier, boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
That's right. Okay, what do you think? Well, we'll go ahead and at least try one of them because I'm dying to hear what one of these sounds like.
Right, I need to install the other side, but I can't wait.
Yeah, let's just go ahead. Hang on, let me turn the key on here.
Okay.
All right, let me reach over, get the key on. Wow, check that out. You know, and that's only one of these things. You know, I can think, you know, my husband and I, we race, we've got our big toter home. I bet a set of those behind the seats in the cab would be awesome. Then I wouldn't have to hear him yell at me about my directions.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, I kind of like that idea. You want to find out what Custom Autosound has for you, their entire line of speakers? It's all available on their website at customautosound.com. We've got a whole lot more Performance TV right after this.